In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and let me show you how to activate call waiting on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select apps, go to System App Settings. Here you will notice call settings, so just mark it, and now click on call waiting. So as you can see, it is currently active. You can turn it off easily, and also you can activate it by tapping on the switcher once it is not active. Confirm that you would like to do it. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. So this is the way how you can smoothly activate or deactivate call waiting. You can also customize some features. Just go to the advanced settings and now click on call waiting notifications. And here you can personalize the notifications connected with call waiting. So you can pick play notification sound twice, play it and vibrate twice. So let me pick, for example, this option, and that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.